Hey there, thanks for clicking on my video. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the top 5 weight loss affiliate programs that you can join in 2022. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Tyler Wise, and I like to show people how to make money online. My favorite way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in a nutshell, is you just promote other companies' products for a commission. You sign up for an affiliate, and then you start getting paid if anyone buys that product after you promote it. It's fairly simple, and that's why it is my favorite side hustle. I've tried pretty much every side hustle that you can think of. If you check out my page, you'll find that out pretty fast, honestly. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about weight loss affiliate programs. This is in fact going to be part of a new series that I'll be starting where I talk about different niches or niche, however you want to pronounce it. I know some people get angry about it. And I'll be talking about which programs you should get into, which ones are going to pay the best, and how to join them. If that sounds like something interesting to you, stay tuned. We're going to jump right into it. I'm not going to waste any more of your time because I hate when people do that on YouTube. So let's go. So one of the main things that you need to focus on when you're trying to find an affiliate program to join is the commission rate. Honestly, I wouldn't join anything lower than 5%. And even 5% is pretty low. But let's say you're getting into affiliate marketing, you really don't know what you're doing, and you just kind of want to start promoting products. Then I got a couple that, we can start out on. So this first one is GNC. Most people are familiar with GNC, especially if you live in the United States. It is basically just a supplement company where you can buy pills and weight gain or weight loss products. I personally have used it maybe once or twice. Most of the time I go in there and I buy a energy drink. So I'm not normally going in there to buy supplements, but I'll be talking about the other one I go to in a moment, actually. But I spend a lot of money on supplements. And if you sign up for the affiliate program, which I have on the screen right here, you'll be getting 5% back on most of the products that you end up promoting through them. This is a good entry point, good way to get into affiliate marketing, especially in the weight loss industry. So number 2 is the Vitamin Shop. Now I spend hundreds of dollars here at the Vitamin Shop. It's honestly probably not good how much money I spend, but we're not going to talk about that. So I buy a lot of supplements through the Vitamin Shop. And because of that, I highly recommend that if you're getting into, this weight loss industry and you just, maybe you just make videos, maybe you make a blog, and you have a lot of your followers, trying to get either bulked up or they're trying to lose weight to be that best version of themselves. Promoting some products off of the Vitamin Shop might be the best course for you. Now, personally, so just like GNC, this has a fairly low commission rate, about 5%, but I'm talking about this one because, it's one of my favorite places to go, and it's a good entry point. It's a good way to get into it. So these next 3 are gonna be a 75% commission rate. So these are big boys. If you can promote these to an audience, you're gonna make a lot of money. So let's get right into it. So to promote these products, you're gonna need to sign up with an affiliate marketplace called ClickBank. ClickBank has been around for many years. I've used ClickBank. When I first started affiliate marketing, this is how I would find all the products that I wanted to promote. And if you're a beginner, it's a good place to start. So once you get to ClickBank and you've signed up and you've created an account, you're gonna go to the marketplace and then you're gonna search for, the Flat Belly Fix. Now, this Flat Belly Fix is the highest and most successful affiliate program on ClickBank. This sells millions of dollars a year. So if you want to get into a piece of that pie, this is one that you need to promote if you're getting into the weight loss niche. Once you've signed up for ClickBank, you'll be able to access their affiliate page, which has a bunch of resources that you can use to promote their product. A lot of their other affiliate programs on ClickBank have the same tools for you. So they have email swipes so that you can send out to your email subscribers. And, I realize now as I'm talking that some of this may be complex for a beginner. That's why I advise you guys to check out the link in my description, tylerzwise.com. It's the same course that I learned affiliate marketing for. So you can learn how to promote all this stuff if you don't know some of the lingo that I'm talking about. But yeah, so this is a great thing right here, this resource page. You'll be able to access your affiliate links, and you'll be able to find different landing pages for your audience to go to buy different products. So after another popular product on ClickBank is the custom keto diet. Now keto in the last couple years, honestly I'd say since 2019, has seen a huge uptick in traffic. A lot of people want to do keto diets, and that's because for the most part it works as long as you can stick to it. And I mean, my dad, for example, got on the keto diet and he lost like over 45 pounds. So keto works. And if you can promote something that is in the keto industry, you're gonna make a lot of money. Now, I definitely recommend this one. This offers a 75% commission rate as well. And you also get an affiliate page, you get affiliate tools, and it's a reoccurring commission as well. So that's honestly really great. So that means if they sign up for whatever month, you'll get a commission every single month that they continue to be signed up for. So as long as they're getting product, you're gonna keep making money. You're gonna keep making commission. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Definitely check this one out. You know, you get your affiliate products, affiliate resources, and you get an email address so that they can send you more information on it. Yeah, but it's not unlike people to make these numbers right here, which is insane. And then we got, last but not least, Aweber. Now Aweber, you're gonna get a lot more money per conversion. And this is also a 75% commission rate as well. It is a reoccurring, which honestly, you always want to look for that. Not all the time. Honestly, it doesn't matter so much if it's a reoccurring if it's smaller commissions, because $122 every single month is a lot of money. So, you know, if you can get a lot of people to sign up, 10 people to sign up per month, that's $1,000. You know, $1,000 a month for a year is $12,000. This is rough math. Keep in mind, I'm not doing 122. So yeah, you also, you know, I mean, rather than a lot of the products that I promote allow people to buy in at a smaller rate, so maybe $5, maybe $7, and then they will get upsold on a product that is maybe a couple, you know, $1,000, and then I get a percentage commission of that as well. So this is a good way if you want a reoccurring commission. You know, this is great. You know, they also have, you know, more tools so you can get updates, and can't think of right now. So yeah, they also have another page for affiliate tools, and you can also make, you know, get email swipes to send out to your email subscribers. So I mean, honestly, all of this is great, but you need to make sure that you have an audience to send it to. Or you can also just create ads to send this out to people on Facebook, on Google, even on TikTok now. If you don't, honestly, what I would do for any of these is I would create a TikTok page and an Instagram theme page dedicated solely to promoting these products. Maybe do like 5 weight loss facts and make that into a video. You can get videos, you can get stock-free videos from Pexels. Pexels is a great website for free stock footage. And yeah, you could honestly get some videos of like people losing weight from here. But anyways, yeah, you can find maybe just like a weight loss, and then make some reels, maybe make some TikToks with the videos on this page. And there you go. You'd have to be consistent, obviously. All of this is taught in the course that I talked about earlier in my description, the 15-day challenge. And if you have any questions, you know, make sure, you know, post a comment, post when, if you are going to plan on starting the weight loss affiliate commission route, and or maybe you're already in it. Maybe you came across this video to find some other products to promote. You know, let me know in the comments below what your story is, what your plan is. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you want more videos in this series, I do plan on pushing these out every 2 weeks at least. And I do appreciate you guys. We're almost at 10K followers now, so that's pretty exciting. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for more videos. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.